Hello everyone! At this part of the lesson we're going to be talking about what the parts of the story are. I know you've already watched a video on this, but I thought I'd just go a little bit more in depth with it myself and explain it to you a little bit with more of the slides. So, let's get started. Our first point is setting. So what is setting? Setting is where and when the story takes place. The setting of the story could be at the beach, it could be in the snow, it could be right here in Bloomington. It could also be in the afternoon, in the morning, or at midnight. Those are just some examples of setting. It could be any place or any time, but as we read our stories later on, you should be able to understand what the setting is, and that is just where and when it takes place. Next we have main characters. So what is a main character? A main character is any person, animal, or creature the story is about. Here we have Mirabel and Bluey. So they are both the main characters of their stories. Mirabel is from Encanto and Bluey is from Bluey. So they are the main characters. So also look out for that when we're reading later. The next part is plot. So plot is just what happens at the beginning, middle, and end. And they have to go in order like 1, 2, 3, like you see on this train.